Assam Rifles Commanders Conference 2020 is scheduled on 26 November 2020 via video conference due to the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic situation. As part of the conference, headquartered DGAR organized the noble initiative of plasma donation screening camp at Lightgore, Shillong in collaboration with Negrims on 24th November 2020. A befitting ceremony event was inaugurated by DG Assam Rifles Lieutenant General Sukhdeep Sangwan, AVSM, SM, and was graced by Professor Dr. P. Bhattacharya, Director Negrims, Shillong. DG Assam Rifles and Director Negrims congratulated and encouraged all the donors on this special occasion. Professor Dr. P. Bhattacharya, speaking on the occasion, highlighted the importance of plasma donation and expressed gratitude to Assam Rifles for taking the initiative which will save the lives of many affected personnel. Blood samples of 100 Assam Rifles personnel who volunteered for screening will be tested at Negrims to assess their eligibility for plasma donation.